7 delicious recipes using pomegranate. Make the most of this stunning fruit with our easy recipes. Mix the seeds into salads, meat and couscous dishes, or sweetened sauces, desserts and drinks with pomegranate molasses and pomegranate juice. We've got plenty of inspiration for using the raw pomegranate seeds, juice and molasses in a range of colorful and delicious recipes. Number 1. Warm aubergine, pomegranate and onion salad. A salad in a slow cooker. Once you've seen how easy it is to get squishy, soft aubergines without slaving over a griddle or risking tongue burns over an open flame, you'll make this again and again. Ingredients: 8 tablespoons olive oil, 6 tablespoons pomegranate molasses, 2 tablespoons runny honey, 2 teaspoons coriander seeds, a 1/4 teaspoon black peppercorns, ground, 3 medium, about 750 g, aubergines, 1 1/2 small red onions, whole 1 thinly sliced, 1/2 a small bunch coriander, leaves finely chopped, 75 g pomegranate seeds, 50 g feta, finely crumbled. Method: Step 1. Heat the slow cooker to low. Whisk together the oil, pomegranate molasses, honey, coriander seeds and black pepper. Slice the aubergines into 1 cm thick rounds and, working quickly, brush both sides of each slice with some of the oily dressing before layering up in the slow cooker with the sliced onion. Alternate layers of aubergine and onion, packing the aubergines evenly but snugly until all the slices have been used. Step 2. Drizzle the remaining dressing all over the top, then cover with a clean tea towel before adding the lid. Cook for 5 hours until the aubergines are super soft. Step 3. Scoop the aubergines from the cooker onto a platter and leave to cool for 15 to 20 minutes, or until just warm. Very finely dice the onion half and scatter most of it over the aubergines, with most of the coriander and most of the pomegranate seeds. Season with salt, then toss everything gently through the veg. Toss the leftover onion, coriander and pomegranate seeds with the crumbled feta in another bowl. Scatter the feta mixture over the aubergines and serve. Number 2. Pomegranate and walnut stuffing balls. Pomegranate seeds give this extra special stuffing bursts of sweet sour flavor. Combined with sausage meat, walnuts and garlic, it makes for a perfect addition to Christmas lunch. To avoid being squirted with pomegranate juice, score the fruit, submerge into a bowl of water and pull apart, loosening the seeds with your hands. Ingredients: 40 g unsalted butter, 1 small onion finely chopped, 2 garlic cloves, minced, 100 g walnuts, roughly chopped, 1 tablespoon baharat, 2 tablespoons vegetable oil, 400 g sausage meat, 60 g white breadcrumbs, 50 g pomegranate seeds. Method: Step 1. Melt the butter in a frying pan over a low-medium heat. Once melted, fry the onion and garlic for 4 to 5 minutes until the onion is translucent. Add the walnuts and cook for 1 minute until golden, then add the baharat and fry for another minute. Remove from the heat and allow to cool slightly. Step 2. Heat the oven to 200 degrees Celsius, 180 degrees Celsius fan at gas 6. Pour the oil into a large baking tray and transfer to the oven to get hot. Put the onion mixture and all the remaining ingredients in a large bowl. Use your hands to squash everything together, working it well to combine. Using a small frying pan, fry a small piece of stuffing in a little oil. Taste and adjust the seasoning if necessary. Once satisfied, roll the mixture into 24 balls. Step 3. Add the balls to the hot fat in the baking tray. Gently toss in the oil and then roast for 20 to 25 minutes, or until cooked through and crisp and golden on the outside. Number 3. Smoked aubergine, pepper and walnut salad with pomegranate. Most Middle Eastern nations seem to have a version of smoked aubergine. From meat to every kind of vegetable, and even some fruits. Try out this simple yet flavorsome salad recipe, with crunchy pomegranates served with flatbreads. Ingredients: 4 large aubergines, pricked with a fork. 3 large red peppers. 50 g walnuts, chopped. A small bunch flat leaf parsley, roughly chopped. 2 large cloves garlic, crushed. 6 tablespoons olive oil, plus extra to serve. 1 lemon, juiced. A pinch ground cinnamon. 75 milliliters pomegranate molasses. 100 g pomegranate seeds. Flatbreads to serve. Number 4. Roast chicken with pomegranate and mint. Check out this low-calorie, quick and simple vibrant roast chicken with mint and crunchy pomegranates. Serve this chicken recipe with a hearty salad for an easy midweek meal. Ingredients: 6 skin-on chicken breasts. 1 tablespoon pomegranate molasses. 1 tablespoon olive oil. 1 clove garlic. 1/2 lemon, juiced. 2 tablespoons tahini. 150 milliliters natural yogurt. 1/2 teaspoon ground turmeric. 4 tablespoons pomegranate seeds. A small bunch mint, leaves picked. Method: Step 1. Heat the oven to 200 C, a fan 180 C, a gas 6. Put the chicken breasts skin side up on a baking tray. Drizzle with the pomegranate molasses and olive oil, and season well. Wrap the garlic clove in tin foil and add to the tray. Roast for 20 minutes until the chicken is golden and cooked through, then rest under foil for 10 minutes. Step 2. Pop the garlic clove out of its skin and mash to a paste with a little salt. Mix it with the lemon juice, tahini, yogurt, turmeric and 2 to 3 tablespoons of water to make a drizzleable dressing, then season. Step 3. Thickly slice the chicken and put on a platter. Scatter over the pomegranate seeds and mint, and drizzle with the dressing. Number 5. Radicchio, pomegranate, walnuts and mint. You'll find this vibrantly purple salad on the menu at Glasgow's Gloriosa Nutty, nutritious recipe for a dinner party side. Ingredients: 100 g walnuts. 1 head Trevisa or Verona radicchio or chicory, leaves separated. 50 g pomegranate seeds. A handful of leaves mint, torn. Dressing: 1 clove garlic, crushed. 1 tablespoon Dijon mustard. 1 lemon, zested and juiced. 2 teaspoons white wine vinegar. 100 milliliters extra virgin olive oil, plus extra to serve. Method: Step 1. Toast the walnuts in a dry pan until they smell nutty. Cool, then roughly crush with clean hands. Step 2. To make the dressing, put the garlic, mustard, lemon juice, vinegar and some seasoning into a bowl, and mix well, then slowly add the oil, whisking all the time, to create a thick emulsion. Step 3. Generously dress the leaves in the dressing so that all the leaves are coated. Assemble the dressed leaves on a plate so that they are ready to catch the pomegranate seeds and walnuts. Scatter over the pomegranate seeds, crushed walnuts, mint and lemon zest, and drizzle with some extra olive oil, if you like. Number 6. Pigeon, hummus and pomegranate. Turkish flavors such as pomegranate brighten up this impressive starter recipe. This recipe is gluten-free according to industry standards. Ingredients: 1 onion, small. 4 of each pigeon legs and breasts. 4 frying oil. 4 tablespoons pomegranate seeds. Chopped flat leaf parsley, to serve. Hummus. 1 clove garlic, crushed. 1/2 lemon, juiced. 2 tablespoons tahini. 3 tablespoons olive oil. 400 g tin chickpeas, rinsed and drained. Dressing. 2 tablespoons pomegranate molasses. 2 tablespoons extra virgin olive oil. 1 tablespoon red wine vinegar. Method. Step 1. To make the hummus, put the garlic, lemon juice and a pinch of salt into a blender and pulse to mix. Add the tahini, olive oil and 3/4 of the chickpeas, and whiz until smooth. Add a splash of water if it's too thick. Taste for seasoning, then add the remaining chickpeas, pulsing only for a second to give texture to the hummus. Step 2. Heat the grill to medium and grill the onion whole in its skin on a foil-lined baking tray for 15 to 20 minutes, turning occasionally. Don't worry if the outside becomes blackened, until soft in the center cool. Then peel and discard the outer layers, then half to reveal the sweet onion petals inside. Separate and put aside. Step 3. To make the dressing, whisk together all of the ingredients with a little seasoning. Step 4. Remove the pigeon breasts and legs from the fridge 20 minutes before cooking. Heat the oven to 200 C, a fan 180 C, a gas 6. Heat a little oil in a non-stick, oven-proof frying pan and brown the pigeon legs all over. Finish off in the oven for 10 minutes, or until cooked through. Step 5. Heat a little more oil in a non-stick frying pan over a medium heat, and put in the pigeon breasts, skin side down. Cook for 2 minutes, then flip and cook for another 1 to 2 minutes, depending on thickness. Remove from the heat and rest in the pan for 10 minutes, covered tightly with foil. Slice. Step 6. To serve, spoon some hummus on each plate, making a well in the middle. Top with a few onion petals and the pigeon breast slices and legs. Scatter with pomegranate seeds and parsley, and drizzle over the dressing. Number 7. Pomegranate and vodka cocktails. Friday night has never looked so good with these easy-to-make pomegranate and vodka cocktails. Whip these up for friends and enjoy the fresh flavor of the pomegranate, with the sharp twist of lime zest. Ingredients. 5 shots vodka. 600 milliliters pomegranate juice. 1 teaspoon sugar. Crushed ice. Twist of lime zest. Method. Step 1. Mix the vodka, pomegranate juice and sugar in a large jug with crushed ice. Strain into glasses and decorate with a twist of lime zest. This is just a few of the many recipes using pomegranate. Try some and let me know in the comment. Hope you enjoy. Have a beautiful and blessed day to each and everyone.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Have a beautiful day to each and everyone.